statement were even 1% true, we would not be having Article 21, right to life and personal liberty, catering to the needs of humanity. Because it is equally available to me, it is equally available to a citizen of South Sudan, it is equally available to a citizen of Great Britain who comes to India. The fact that sovereign is a national concept, but these laws, through these provisions, are catering to the needs of humanity, speaks of the fact that laws are very much based on rationality and humanity. Honorable Chair, at the very outset, we have to understand that where from these laws come. These laws are enacted by the Parliament. And assuming that most of the world is democratic today, these parliamentarians are directly elected by us. So when they are making any law and they have to come back to us after 5 years for voting again, for elections again, how can such laws be devoid of rationality and humanity given the fact that they are being elected by ourselves based on our own logics and reasons? Also, Honorable Chair, the reverberation of the word sovereign in this very hall, let me tell you, law is sovereign. But where from does it draw its part? It draws its part from us, the people, because we entered into it, we ask ourselves that we'll be bound by those laws, and if people cease to be bound by those laws, the laws would cease to exist. The law would become powerless. The example is in front of us, the three farm laws. Also, Honorable Chair, no law is permanent, it is subject to amendments. Now, in 2013, catering to the demands of the public in Delhi, the parliament had to go down and increase the rape punishments. The fact that there have been 105 amendments in 73 years of Indian constitutional history speaks of the fact that time to time, whenever people want, the parliamentarians have to go down and accommodate the reasons, logics, and humanitarian wants of the people. Also, Honorable Chair, no law is absolute. All laws have a chapter on general exceptions. For example, the Indian Penal Code, under its general exception chapter, section 82 says that even if a child of 6 years commits a murder, prima facie that act could be a wrongful act, but he cannot be convicted under law. When such provisions are incorporated in our laws, I am compelled to state that it is only because the law takes into account reasons that such child does not understand the implication of such a crime. Also, Honorable Chair, there is a basic principle of natural justice that is followed throughout the world. Now, I cannot be a judge in my own matter. Also, there is audi altrum partem. Everyone has right to be heard. The fact that all the laws are bound by these principles of natural justice is because the laws cater to rationality and humanity. Also, Honorable Chair, if the law does not cater